Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I want to talk about why you should start doing Draw This in Your Style challenges, or DTIYS for short. If you're not familiar with DTIYS, it's a popular art challenge where artists create their own version of someone else's artwork. It's a great way to get inspired and challenge yourself to try new things. So, why should you start doing DTIYS challenges? First of all, it's a great way to improve your art skills. When you're working on someone else's artwork, you have to analyze their style and figure out how to recreate it in your own way. This can help you learn new techniques and improve your own style. Secondly, DTIYS challenges are a great way to get out of your comfort zone. As artists, we often get stuck in our own style and don't try new things. So this challenges force you to try something different and experiment with new styles and techniques. Another great thing about DTIYS challenges is that they can help you build your art community. When you participate in a challenge, you can share your artwork with other artists and get feedback on your work. This can help you grow as an artist and make new connections in the art world. Now, let's talk about how DTIYS challenges can specifically affect your art improvement. First of all, as I mentioned earlier, DTIYS challenges can help you learn new techniques and improve your own style. By analyzing someone else's artwork and figuring out how to recreate it in your own way, you can expand your knowledge and skills as an artist. By trying out different styles and techniques, you can figure out what works best for you and what you enjoy creating the most. By trying out different styles and techniques, you can figure out what works best for you and what you enjoy creating the most. These challenges have become incredibly popular on Instagram, and many artists use them as a way to connect with other artists and gain new followers. By participating in a challenge and using the challenge's hashtags, you can increase the visibility of your artwork and attract new followers to your account. When you're working on someone else's artwork, you have to think creatively and come up with new ideas for how to make it your own. This can help you develop your creative skills and find new ways to approach your own artwork. By participating in a DTIYS challenge, you can see how other artists interpret and recreate the same artwork. This can help you learn from their techniques and approaches, and incorporate what you've learned into your own work. As I mentioned earlier, TIYS challenges are incredibly popular on Instagram, which means that participating in a challenge can help you get more exposure for your artwork. This can lead to more followers, more opportunities, and more recognition for your work. Participating in a DTIYS challenge can help you establish a consistent art practice. By committing to creating and sharing artwork on a regular basis, you can develop a routine and make progress towards your art goals. This can help you overcome creative blocks and keep your art skills sharp. Next thing, improve your speed and efficiency. When you're participating in a challenge, you usually have a deadline to complete your artwork. This can help you learn how to work more quickly and efficiently, which can be incredibly valuable when working on your own projects or commissions. Discover new art styles and techniques. These challenges often feature a wide range of styles and techniques, which can help you discover new approaches to creating art. This can be especially helpful if you're looking to expand your artistic horizons and try new things. Develop your problem-solving skills. When you're working on someone else's artwork, you may encounter challenges or obstacles that require you to problem solve and find creative solutions. This can help you develop your problem-solving skills and become more adaptable as an artist. Increase your confidence as an artist. Participating in Draw This in Your Style challenges can be a great way to boost your confidence as an artist. When you see that your artwork is getting positive feedback and recognition from others, it can help you feel more confident in your own abilities. This can be especially helpful if you're someone who struggles with self-doubt or imposter syndrome. Gain inspiration for future projects. Draw This in Your Style challenges often feature a wide range of artwork and styles, which can be a great source of inspiration for your future projects. You may discover a new artist whose work you admire, or you may be inspired by the colors, composition, or other elements of the original artwork. Develop your storytelling skills. Draw this in your style. Challenges can be a great opportunity to practice your storytelling skills. As you recreate someone else's artwork, you can think about the story behind the image and how you can convey that story in your own version. This can be especially helpful if you're interested in creating comics or other narrative art. Build your portfolio. Participating in Draw This in Your Style challenges can help you build up your portfolio with a range of different styles and techniques. This can be especially helpful if you're just starting out as an artist and don't yet have a lot of work to show potential clients or collaborators. Develop your digital art skills. Draw This in Your Style challenges are often done digitally, which can be a great way to practice and develop your digital art skills. You may discover new tools or techniques that can help you create more polished and professional-looking digital artwork. Get recognized by other artists. Draw This in Your Style challenges are a great way to get noticed by other artists and creatives. If your artwork is particularly well received, you may be featured by the original artist or by other accounts that promote Draw This in Your Style challenges. This can be a great way to get your work seen by a wider audience and make connections with other artists. So those are some additional benefits of participating in Draw This in Your Style challenges. Whether you're looking to improve your skills, get inspired, or build your online presence, there are many reasons to give these challenges a try. For me, I'm totally obsessed with this type of challenges. I always scroll on Instagram and save whatever challenge I find, so I can join it when I have free time in the future. In this video, I'm recreating this Draw This in Your Style challenge by Snailbroll from Instagram. I chose it because I'm not draw any males often, so I want to get out my comfort zone and draw a man. Also, the character design wasn't that complicated but cool at the same time, so that inspires me to do it. And the thing that keeps me excited to do this type of challenges is when I see the other artists' entries. They were so beautiful, and that makes me want to join as well. I scrolled through Pinterest to look up for some guy's pictures, so I chose this dude taking a mirror selfie. I found it cute. I guess he's famous on TikTok cause I've seen him there a lot. But I have no idea what his name is or his account. Anyways, I started doing the sketch and the line art. I used only one brush. It called SAI INK. It's my favorite. Recently, I saw an artist girl talking about it, so I wanted to try it. I downloaded it, and now it's totally my favorite. When I was recording the drawing process, it didn't save the coloring part. I was extremely angry about it because I wanted to share it as well. But thanks God the Procreate has the time-lapse features, so that saved my life. Lol. Here, I will leave you with the rest of the coloring part. So enjoy. Thank you for watching. I hope this video has inspired you to participate in Draw This in Your Style challenges and see how they can benefit your art practice. Whether you're looking to improve your skills, gain inspiration, or build your online presence, Draw This in Your Style challenges can be a great way to achieve your goals. So don't be afraid to jump in and try your hand at these challenges. You never know where they may lead you. And as always, keep creating and have fun. See you next time. Bye.